We're down to
Make him like Bronson Reed, the powerhouse, the size, the speed, and we're about to see the greatest move in WWE. Cole, soon to just start.
nobody home. Lashley planning Johnny wrestling.
It's like a damn war zone in that ring, Cole.
Gargano eliminated by the Almighty. Strowman. Bullock, Reed. Strowman still hanging on. Reed trying to eliminate Strowman.
Strowman having to be as nimble as he's ever been in his life.
Strowman's done. We're down to Bronson Reed and Bobby Lashley.
They just don't make him like Bronson Reed, the powerhouse, the size, the speed, and we're about to see the greatest move in WWE. Cole, soon go.
Nobody home. Eliminated. And Butch is back in things.
That's some solid teamwork right there from the Brawling Brutes.
Now Butch is gone.
Rich can't be everywhere at the same time.
And we're now down to LA Knight, Bronson Reed, Braun Strowman, Bobby Lashley. 4 men remain in the Andre the Giant. Bobby Lashley, spear! Down goes Reed! Lashley over the top rope, trying to hang on.
Reed thought he had it won.
Reed eliminated. Bobby Lashley's the winner.
Here is your winner, the almighty Bobby Lashley!
You called it from the start, Wade. Bobby Lashley's been in a mood. And Bobby Lashley wins the Andre the Giant Battle Royal.
Well, he simply made himself undeniable tonight. When life hands you lemons, you make lemonade. And Bobby Lashley just did the incredible.
Bobby Lashley winning the Andre the Giant Battle Royal. What a performance by Lashley.
My word, never in doubt from the perspective of